So, and just like, are you ready for your big surprise?
Okay, yeah, yeah.
Yes. So what I will, Mark, ask you, just like you maybe go to the painting, you turn around and just
Okay.
like and see what actually what's.
And look at it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Wow, wow. Looks very, very different.
So you mean
Oh.
closer maybe, yeah. No, no.
You know what? Well, let's see.
It's okay. I think this okay now.
Yeah. Yeah. Now it's got, you can see the colors, like you said.
Yeah.
You'd be able to see. Looks very different.
So do you think it's
cloud,
like
this
a
is
different
yellow.
painting, so that I painted new painting instead of like cleaning now?
Yeah,
Possible.
pretty much. Yeah, pretty much. It does look different. It does look different. For
So-
sure. It looks new. It looks new.
Do you think actually it meant to be was as what artists intended to be? Was the artist painted when artist finished his
Oh
work?
yeah. Oh yeah.
Do you think it's that kind of difference?
I would say so.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, I was, in fact, I had not really been looking at it before. It wasn't on the wall before. And when I looked at it, I pulled it out to look at it again. I was amazed how yellow it looked. I had not remembered it being so yellow, but now it looks like a new painting, new colors. Very nice.
Fresh.
Fresh, yeah, you
Yeah.
should say that, yeah.
So you happy with that?
Oh yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy.
Good. Okay, and anyway, thank you, Mark. Thank you.
Sure, thank you.
Okay, bye.